Hi students, this is Alex here. In this video we are going to find the area bounded by the ellipse and the ordinates x is equal to 0 and x is equal to ae, where the value of b square is given as a square into 1 minus e square and the value of e is less than 1. Let's take the small diagram. We have x-axis and y-axis and we have the ellipse. Now the ellipse has the center at the origin. So let's mark 0, 0 here, and the end point on the right hand side is a, 0. Now we have to mark the boundary where the ordinate is x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 is this line and x is equal to ae is a line passing through the focus. So focus is a point whose coordinate is ae, 0 on the right hand side. So we have to find the area bounded by the ellipse. So let's see the question again. Find the area bounded by the ellipse. So if we see the ellipse in the diagram, so this is the region they are mentioning, bounded by the ellipse, and the ordinate x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 is this line and x is equal to ae. So they want the area of this region. Now we find the area of the region present in the first quadrant and we take twice of that. And we have to write the value of y here. So if you simplify, that is y square by b square equal to 1 minus, the first term is taken to the other side as minus x square by a square, and taking LCM, the LCM is a square, this is a square minus x square, so we get y square by b square. Now y square is equal to b square bracket open a square minus x square whole divided by a square. Now we need y, so from this we take square root, we get on the right side b by a in root of a square minus x square. So we take the value of y from the equation as b by a root of a square minus x square. Now we are going to take this curve, we are going to integrate from this 0 till ae. This is our limit and we are going to put into 2 to get the entire area. So area formula is 2 times integral, limit is from 0 till ae y dx, and we already got the value of y and we are going to substitute that in this integration formula, b by a root of a square minus x square dx. We can take the constants 2b by a separately. Now integration of this will be x by 2 root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a, and our limit is from 0 to ae. We are going to substitute ae, the upper limit, in place of x. So this is ae by 2 root of a square minus ae whole square is a square e square, then plus a square by 2 sine inverse ae by a. So we have substituted the upper limit. Let's take a separate bracket minus, when I put 0, lower limit in place of x, everything is 0. So finally this is 2b by a bracket open ae by 2. When a square is taken outside, it will come outside as a, and inside the root we left with 1 minus e square. Then the second term is a square by 2 sine inverse e. We can cancel this a and a. So finally we find a into a is a square. So this a square by 2 can be taken outside the integration. So we have 2b by a into a square by 2, open bracket. So we left with e root 1 minus e square plus sine inverse e. So outside we can cancel this 2 and 2, hence a and the square. So finally the outside term is ab, then e root 1 minus e square plus sine inverse e. This much square units.